As a real estate agent, there's one question that we hear all the time.
How's the market?
And that's exactly what I'm going to cover in this video. This video I'm going to go over the housing market stats for all of Brevard County and of course specifically Cocoa Beach towards the end for the month of May 2021, right after this. My name's Larkin and I'm a real estate agent here on the Space Coast, and I do regular videos just like this one, talking about living, working, playing, and some real estate updates. And if this is something that you're interested in, you should probably hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you're notified every time I put up new videos just like this one. And if you are moving either into the Space Coast or you're relocating out of the area, I am certain that you have questions. Well, I hear from folks just like you every day that have questions about making a move that I love to answer, and I'd love to hear from you too. You could either call me, you can text me, you can comment below. If you prefer to find me on social media, you can send me a DM through any of these sites. However you like to communicate, I am great with. Now let's get on with this market update for Brevard County and Cocoa Beach. So our housing market here in Brevard County, if you've seen any of my past videos over the last few months describing the market, I'm going to be kind of like a broken record. Inventory is still very low, demand is still very high, there's lots of multiple offers that are happening, and of course prices are also going up. But here are the stats of what's happening here in Brevard County from May 2021. So we ended the month of May with 907 active properties for sale in the MLS. We sold 1,404 properties, which puts our month supply at 0.65 months, which is under a 3-week supply. The average sales price was just over $339,000. The median sales price was $272,500, and the list to sell ratio was at 98.5%. Average days on market for those properties that sold were 22 days. The number of properties selling in 7 days or less were 830, which is almost 60% of the sales. And the properties selling in 30 days or less were 1152, which was just over 80% of our transactions. We had 29 properties in our MLS sell for over $1 million. The highest price sale was in Satellite Beach, an oceanfront estate that sold for $3,425,000. The city of Palm Bay led with sales with 274, and the best-selling zip code is still the 32940 with 122 transactions. The age of our sales, or the year built, they were built in 1990 on average, making them 21 years old. The average size was 1,738 square feet with an average price of $188 per square foot. So as you can see, real estate sales here for all of Brevard County is still pretty darn active, and there's no sign of this changing anytime soon in the near future. But here's your breakdown of what's happening in the Cocoa Beach area. I'd like to start out with the condominiums. Right now we have 40 active condos for sale. They range anywhere in price from $100,000 for a 1-bedroom condo in the Atlantic Gardens in Cape Canaveral, all the way up to a $2.5 million penthouse that's at the Beach Winds. This is probably one of the biggest condos here in Cocoa Beach. It's 5 bedrooms, 4 baths, over 4,500 square feet. It's pretty awesome. So yes, we have 40 active condos for sale right now, but there are still 6 of them that are priced under $200,000, just in case you're looking to see what values are out there still in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. So active inventories were at 40 for the month. We sold 65 condos in the month of May, putting us at a 0.65 month supply, which is just under 3 weeks. The average sales price was just over $338,000. The median sales price was $315,000, and the average the price per square foot averaged out at $259 per square foot. Average days on market for those condo sales were 35 days, and 32 of the 65 sold in 7 days or less, and 44 of the 65 sold in 30 days or less. We did have 15 condos sell for under $200,000, and the best-selling complex were tied with 3 each. Villa Vista sold between $270,000 and $291,000, and the Windrush condominium had sales between $230,000 and $575,000. The price range for condos that have sold, the low end, we had a $76,000 condo sell at the Plaza in Cape Canaveral. This was a 2-bedroom, 1-bath condominium. And the high end, it was a 3rd floor direct ocean at the Ocean Breeze Home condominium complex off 10th Street South. It sold for $942,500. So that's it for our condo sales here in Cocoa Beach and Cape Canaveral. Let's break down what's happening with our single family home sales. Something interesting to look at with our single family homes, our inventory is actually rising for the properties that are available on the market. We have 32 active homes for sale ending the month of May, and the last time our inventory was up over 30, we'd have to go to the fall. In September, October, we were at 33 and 36 houses for sale in Cocoa Beach at that particular time. So of the 32 homes that are on the market, 8 of them are priced under $500,000, and we have a range of homes being listed. $375,000 is the low end for a home on the corner of Swanee and North Banana River, up to the high end of an oceanfront home listed at $4.7 million. It's on the corner of 3rd Street South and Atlantic Avenue. So breaking down the stats for the month of May, we have 32 active homes, as I mentioned. We closed 21 homes for the month of May, which puts us at a 1.5 month supply of properties for sale. The average sales price, $773,000, with a median sales price of $650,000, putting our average price per square foot at $346. Average days on market, 18 for the home selling here in Cocoa Beach. We had 11 homes sell in 7 days or less, and 20 of the 21 sales happened in less than 30 days. The one that took a little longer than 30 days was actually new construction, so they've been marketing that property for some time and it finally has sold. We did have 6 homes sell for under $500,000, and we had 4 homes sell for over $1 million. The highest price home to sell in Cocoa Beach was 157 South Orlando, which was a 4-bedroom oceanfront home that sold for $1.52 million. The other $1 million+ homes, there's a riverfront in Snug Harbor, sold for $1.5 million. There was new construction right on A1A near downtown that sold for $1,365,000, and even though it sold for $999,000 in Cocoa Isles, I'm considering that a $1 million+ sale as well for the Cocoa Beach area. So with sales as strong as they are and inventory being as low as they are, we are in desperate need to find folks who are looking to sell properties. So if here in Cocoa Beach, we should have over 200 condos for sale at any given time, and we're under 40 or right at 40 properties for sale. If you currently have a second home that's a condominium, or you've been using it as a rental and the tenant's coming towards the end of its lease and you're wondering if now's the time to sell, you should probably give me a call and I can let you know what the value of your property would be. And this goes for any property here, either in Cocoa Beach or throughout the Space Coast. If you have an interest or curiosity of knowing what the home could be worth in today's market, you can call me, you can text me, you can comment below, and I'm happy to help. Plus, if you stuck around this long, you probably like the video that we're seeing. If you haven't done so already, you should hit that subscribe button so you're notified every time I put up new videos just like this one. And for your continued viewing enjoyment, I'm queuing up 2 more videos for you to watch here next. My name's Eric Larkin with REMAX Aerospace. I appreciate you tuning in. I'll see you on the next show.